Hello everyone. Today we'll be covering the Horizon Usage Report. This is a report I created to tell how often a pool is being connected to and by whom. This report is designed by default to run as an Excel report. If you choose to run it as Excel, it will download and install a module called Import Excel. If you wish to run this as a CSV, we can export this in a CSV file. There are a couple things that you're going to need to run this report. You're going to need your local SQL creds for your Horizon Events database, how far back you want to go, the report type, this is where we would define Excel or CSV, if you would like to run a pivot table, true or false, the name of your SQL server. So for me, it is going to be SQL1 at chrislab.local. The name of our Horizon Events database is actually simple enough. We'll call it Horizon Events. I have no table prefix. We're going to name it as a user report in the reports usage folder, and then it's going to go in and create some files and stuff. So let's go ahead and run this thing. And it should prompt you for the account name and password. So let me copy this password. And then paste in my password. Hit OK, and let's let it run. As you can see, this report takes a while to run. Depending on how many events you have in your database and how many login events you have, it can take some time to run, so please be patient with it. Once it's done running, it will export the report to the folder that you specified, so let's go ahead and bring that up. And then we can see our file. All right, as you can see here, we have created the Excel report. And let's open this thing up. Drag that window up here. All right, you will see my user login event data. You will see that test user 5 logged in at 3:12 and pool of pool 001, a machine name, and the pool ID of pool 1. As we scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see a couple changes in this. So apps on demand pools do not show up for a pool ID. And another caveat to this, if you've deleted a pool, it will show up empty. So just be a little bit warned on that one. All right, let's jump into the actual pivot table. All right, on the pivot table, by default, the login time does not come through appropriately, so you do have to remove it. And then if you add it back, you can see stuff based on quarters, months, pools. So for me, I want to collapse the months. All the way across the board, so that way we can see how often people log in every month. And for me, again, this is my lab environment, so not a whole lot of login times, but should help you figure out how many users are logging in and to what pools. Thank you for watching my video. There'll be a link to the GitHub repository for this report and also the blog post in the description below. Thank you.